how to change email address on Booksy. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your email address on Booksy. And what do you do first? Of course, the first thing to do is to log in into your Booksy account where you can see a number of options and all of that. And then once you can see it, go to the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see the profile icon and click on it. After clicking on it, I have brought to your profile page. The next thing that you have to do is to click on account and settings. It is found under gift cards. So after selecting account and settings, you will be brought to the account and settings page. On this page, ensure you select settings. Alright. And this is the settings page, and here is how it looks like. So on this page you can see options like show notification, have notification. Then since the option is not here, go back and click on account details. And so under account details, you can see personal details, the name, then you can see email, all right, the email address. So to change it, move to the right side of the screen where you can see the option change and then click on change. And then you see you would use email address above to sign into your profile. So to change it, just go ahead and click on it, then erase this. All right, just erase it and enter in the new email address that you would like to use. Then click on save and then click on and wait for it for the next page to be displayed. And so once it is done, your email address will be changed and you'll be back to your account. So this is how it works. This is how you can change your email address on Booksy. Thank you for watching and have a good day.